Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix Hive thermostat stuck on searching. First, check the batteries. Low batteries are one of the most common reasons for connection problems. If you are using the standard Hive active heating thermostat, remove the front from the wall plate and replace all 4 AA batteries. Always use fresh, high-quality alkaline batteries. After replacing them, put the thermostat back on the wall and wait to see if it reconnects. If it still says searching, the next step is to reset the receiver. The receiver is usually installed near your boiler. On the receiver, press and hold the central heating button. Keep holding it until the status light flashes pink. Then release the button. Press and hold the same button again until the status light double flashes amber. This puts the receiver back into pairing mode. Now we will reset the thermostat. On the thermostat, press and hold the back arrow button and the menu button together. These are the bottom left and middle buttons. Keep holding them until you see factory reset on the screen. The screen will count down to 0. After that, it will restart and display welcome, searching. Give the thermostat a few minutes to reconnect to the receiver. In most cases, this will fix the issue. Thanks for watching.